Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we're going to plan out the week of May 2nd through the 8th. It is Mother's Day week, so I am going to use this kit from Cricut Paper Co. It was from a roulette, and it's called Goddess. So I think I've had this kit for probably over a year. So it's fitting. Mother's Day, we're all goddesses here. So we have the full boxes, some half boxes, the bottom washi, the date headers. We have some checklists, the week checklist, glitter headers, some boxes, weekend banner, more checklists, lots of boxes, more boxes, some more banners, and some little hearts. So I'm going to use that kit, and then I have pulled some scripts from Simply Smith stickers. So I am going to lay down the base of this kit, and then we will get ready with the planning. Alright, so that is how the base of this kit laid down. This is from Simply Smith stickers as well, and I'm pretty sure these little ribbons are from Amazing Crazy. I don't think her shop is open anymore. But let's go ahead and get into the planning. So my mornings are going to pretty much stay the same, but we do have baseball pictures this week. We have 5 or 6 games. Of course, Mother's Day is on Sunday. So I think that's it. I am going to use these little headers. They used to say to do, but I just put a workout sticker on them. You can kind of see if you look real close, but it's not super noticeable. So I am going to put these in there just because they're thin. I was going to use the little hearts that came in the kit, but I figured this would work just as well. So we are going to work out every morning, and then I'm going to take my kids to school, and it is trash day, so we'll have to get that out as well. I'm gonna color block except for that green up top, and then I do have to go to work like so. And then in the evening, this is where it gets kind of crazy. So my husband is actually working this day, so it is going to be all me, but I have all 3 kids to get their pictures taken, and one of them has a game. So I made up these 2 stickers. So it starts at 5, like so. That little picture day is from Simply Smith stickers as well. And then this little game at is from Simply Smith stickers, and this little baseball, so cute. It has a little heart on it. That's from Sticker Mama. It's adorable. I love them. I use them in every spread, either that or on my dailies. And that is it for Monday. So that's just the times of the pictures that they need to be there, and then Brayden does have a game. So Tuesday, gonna be the same type of deal. I do have to take the kids to school. My daughter has preschool on Tuesday, which she gets done in a couple weeks. So that's good. She's not ready. If she could stay in school all year round, she would. Which I'm sure that'll change once summer comes and we're at the beach all the time and stuff like that. But for right now, she wants to stay in school. All right, so for Tuesday, we do have 2 games. So they will both be at 6 o'clock, and my husband is off. So he's going to take them to the games, and then I will go teach class. So that will work that day. And that'll be his first game that he gets to see, so I'm sure he's going to be super excited about that. Wednesday, same kind of deal. I'm going to go to school. Purple school. That. Separate these out a little bit more because I don't have a lot to do on Wednesday mornings. And then in the evening here, he is off again. And I think, yes, 6 and 7 games. So Brayden has a game and Mackenzie has a game. I don't know if I will go to bar or if I will go to the games. I would like to go to bar because I need the exercise, but I would also like to go see my kids play baseball. I know there's 100 games, but I still like watching them. Oh my gosh, I have to tell you guys something. So my daughter's 4, and she hit the first one. She hit off the tee, so it's t-ball, right? So her coach was standing behind her, kind of hand over hand, you know, telling her how to hit, and she hits the ball and she takes off for first, like she is running, and all of a sudden she makes a hard left and just goes straight to third base. And like we talked before, because they've only had 2 or 3 practices because the weather's been crap in Indiana. And we talked before, and I told her, I was like, where do you go? She's like, first base. And then where do you go? Second base, third base. And I thought she had it, but clearly she did not. So it was, I don't know. Everybody laughed. Everybody was having a good time. That's why I love t-ball. It's just, it's a good time overall, I think. And then my middle son, he did really well at hitting. He tried to go for catching, but he's so small. Like, he's 8 years old and he is the same size as my daughter, who's 4. And I don't know where he gets his smallness from. So he tried catching, and all the gear is too big for him, so he can't do that anymore. So he was a little upset about that, but you know, it is what it is. So now he plays between right field and second base. So he still likes it, but what am I doing Thursday? Game, and then so my husband will go to work, so I definitely have to get a sub for this day. works. So yeah, no dance that day. And then Friday, same kind of deal. Go to school, go to work, get paid. Oh, I need to grab a payday script. I didn't pick one up. Go to work. And then let's see what will fit there. Maybe one of these guys. Will that fit? I have to get a payday script, but that'll fit fine. Okay, and then Friday night I do have dance. I'll be able to go to that because we have no games. He does work, so I can just take the kids to the nursery. So in all of my free time, I didn't do a talk through video last week, so I feel like I gotta fill you guys in, but I've been watching The Rookie. If you have Hulu, watch it. It's such a good show. I cannot stop watching it. It's very, like, I like doctor type of shows, so but it kept coming up, like, in my you should watch categories, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go through an episode or two and just see what it's about, and now I can't stop watching it. I've been watching it for maybe a week, and I'm already into the 3rd season. Like, anytime I have an extra 30 minutes, I try to get an episode in. It's a good show. I really, really like it. So Saturday, dance in the morning. If I can, I'll probably go to the other classes. I don't think I work Saturday morning as of right now. So I think maybe I'll try to get in some classes. And then, like I said, every Saturday is my deep clean day. So my husband's off, so not a problem there. He can help with that. And then on Sunday, we don't have anything to do. I do have to film. And sometimes I don't film on Sunday, like today. It's Friday, the previous week, and like I'm filming because my husband's home because he goes to work tomorrow, and if I were to do it Sunday, my kids would be up, and we know how that goes. So I'm gonna film probably on Sunday, but if not, it's whatever. This is Mother's Day, so I am gonna put these little stickers up. These are from Sarah Marie Stickers, I believe. So that's Mother's Day, and then I have one for Cinco de Mayo here. Not that we do anything. We'll probably go out to eat, maybe take my mom something. She's not big into gifts. If anything, she just wants like something for her garden. She is an easy pleaser, or she will take a Red Lobster's gift card any day. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've been up to. Like I said, just watching that show, been working out, been living at the baseball field, kind of my life. But that is it for this week. I hope you guys have a happy Mother's Day if you are a mama. If not, spend some time with your mom, think about her, give her some prayers and love, and I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.